Good morning, students of class 10. In the second class of geography, we are going to start topography. You know, 10 questions are asked in board examination. Each question consists 2 marks and total marks became 20. So it has a very important role in your score. This word topography is a word that is related with a special kind of map. You have studied several kinds of map of India, map of the world. Again, there is classification, physical map, in which you see the different physical features. Those are mountains, rivers, islands, oceans, seas, deserts. And in political map, you find countries, continents, states, sometimes districts. You know these things. But in topographical map, the natural and man-made features of a small area are shown on the map extract. Both kinds, physical as well as man-made. Both kinds of features are shown of a small area on the map. You know, all kinds of map depends on the scale. So, topographical map has also its own scale, and that is used practically, that is used universally. We say the universal scale. This universal scale of topo sheet is equal to 1 is to 50,000. It means the length of 50,000 centimeter on the real ground. On the real ground means on the earth. The length of 50,000 centimeter on the real ground is represented by only 1 centimeter on the topo sheet. Obviously, all the small features are focused very clearly through different kinds of symbols, through different kinds of colors. Those symbols and those colors we will study further. But the basic thing, first basic thing I have written this universal scale that is used throughout the world, and so this is called universal scale. This is applied in topography. There are several kinds of scales are given in the book, but in fact the questions are related with this kind of scale. We say this is the scale factor. Second basic thing, that is the grid system. You will find on the topo map, on the topo sheet, some vertical and some horizontal lines crossing to each other. In these intersections of horizontal and vertical lines, we will see the crisscross sections. These crisscross sections, suppose here this vertical line is intersecting to horizontal line, so we make a point and we give a name A. Similarly, at this intersection we gave a name B, C and D. We have this ABCD. We say this is the crisscross sections of the horizontal line and vertical lines. Horizontal lines and vertical lines. Crisscross section. So this crisscross section of horizontal lines and vertical lines is called a grid. ABCD became a grid. A grid is a square. Mathematically, a grid is a square because all these four sides of ABCD are equal. You can measure. Use your ruler to measure these sides. You will get all these four sides are equal to 2 centimeter. AB equal to 2, BC equal to 2, CD equal to 2 and AD equal to 2 centimeter. Obviously, the ABCD is a square. This is called a grid. In this, there is a very important, to make a grid, there is a very important role of these horizontal and vertical lines. These vertical lines are called line of sting. Lines of sting. Vertical lines. And lines of northing. These are horizontal lines. You are seeing, come to this map, you are seeing vertical lines. Those are running from south to north, or you can say from north to south, but the name is given line of sting. There is a big point of confusion. See, yeah, these students sometimes by mistake they say these are the line of northing because these are running from south to north, but that is wrong. We say these vertical lines are lines of sting. Why do we say? We say because the values of all these vertical lines increase towards east. Suppose this is 11, next is 12, 13, 14. You are saying these values are increasing towards east. So these vertical lines are called lines of sting. Similarly, since the values of horizontal lines 21, 22, 23, since the values of horizontal lines are increasing towards north, therefore this is called lines of northing. These two lines play very important role to locate the places in any particular grid. For example, suppose here is any place X. Before that, two questions are very important in board examination regarding topocid. That is called 4 grid reference and 6 grid reference. First of all, we'll learn how to locate the places by 4 grid reference. In other words, what is the 4 grid reference of this place X? We write the values of line of sting and line of northing consecutively. Line of To locate the place x under four-grid reference, at first we write the value of line of easting. And the line of easting for this place x will be the line that lies at left hand from x. At left hand from x is 12. So first of all, to write the four-grid reference of x, we write the value of line of easting, that is 1, 2, or we say 12. Second, we write the value of line of northing. You know, line of northing is the horizontal line. So that line is the line of northing for that place, which lies below of that place. And below of that place x is 21. This line of northing will be written as the second. 2, 1. So four-grid reference of place x became 1, 2, 2, 1. Four-grid reference of place x became 1, 2, 2, 1. And keep in mind, first of all, we write the line of easting, then we write the line of northing.